and namanje sasebuhlungu ngathi sengiyenzile ingoma lana in fact ngase ngivumile ngayenza ingoma on the day ngisithi ngiya release ingoma lana. So I don't know what's the idea behind the guy ukuthi acabanga ukuthi angigugula ndinge ezethi khona mina ngitshontshe ingoma idea
wena phela khona futhi into wayitshontshe erumba
hayi lapha ngokuthetho yami
bathathi yakho bona.
So umuntu lana umuntu waposta wathi kuthiwa kulabantu akade benza so emoteni.
Salbonani, welcome podcast yabantu podcast yomhlaba babe sithibukelwa ngedata kodwa thina sidibukelwa ngeWi-Fi ngoba ngwabikela ngedata yaphela. Welcome back. Siyakwazi ukuthi lisamukele you see sesikhona we are back. Ngicela ngiyotshela labana babebuzana ukuthi podcast yabantu kanti siye ngapi ukuthi sesibuyile we are back. Namhlanje ngiliphathele lapha umfowethu owaziwa ngokuthi ngu-TK Mxoxi. Mfowethu, welcome.
Thank you so much, sir. Sabonga kakhulu ukuthi sibe lapha emsakazweni wethu esithanda kakhulu podcast yabantu.
When kusekhaya I think this is not the first time la.
I think this is the second time. It's the second time I think.
It's the second time sitting we hot seat and talking, but you've been part of the family. I mean from day one. Exactly. As long as you are within this space, work Kempro Studios, at some point you've designed some stuff for us.
That's true.
Siyabonga kakhulu. I think last time we were talking about Rumba News.
Yes.
That's when we had you. But today we want to talk to Mxoxi. You have introduced yourself before, Sabakwazi. But Mxoxi, a musician, a graphic designer.
Yes.
What else?
Mxoxi is just a versatile person. He's a musician, he's a graphic designer, a model, an actor, a photographer, a promoter, event plan.
Yes.
Like in fact, I actually do a lot of things. Sometimes it doesn't confused. Ngathi sengenza into eziningi esikhathi esiyi-one.
But it came ifuna njalo. I'll tell you why, especially espacing sakithi the arts and media space sifuna ukuthi ungahlali phansi uhlalela into eyodwa because for you to win ukuthi network you need to meet people from different genres of art and when you design you're getting to network with other people. Exactly. And all that ngoba sibaluchwana so ungafuna ukusticka entene eyi-one to a population that is very small then and then susiba bitter susitha abantu bakithi abasupport no abantu bakithi baluchwana
and okunye futhi just finding your strength ukuthi kahlahlweni ukuthi kuphi.
So now also for you to find your strength you need to try izinto eziningi until kuze kube khona where you are comfortable.
Yazi mina manje ngitshela ukuthi ngiqale kuphi you'll be shocked.
Uqale kuphi?
Mina ngiqale ngiyi-soccer player.
Yeah.
Ngidlala ibhola blind. Nothi kancane lokho kade ngidlala ibhola I was a goalkeeper. Ngidlala ku Black Aces. I don't know if you remember Black Aces back then.
Yeah.
Yes, ngidlala Black Aces. I had a personal trainer, a goalkeeper trainer from Cameroon, personal. I was training from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Esendawood la to Zittlingsfield, yeah.
Wow.
So in fact living ibola for music abantu abaningi bathi daughter why did you do that?
So that's how deep you were in it.
Yes,
is this why you are always seeing a bruma laphana ku weekend league?
Sengilandela konkana ukuthi ngangi
a passion. Yeah.
Sengilandela konkana ngangintswempo kuphi nabanye abantu abangaziyo ke ngadlala la ibhola angibadlala namanje bruma so sometimes ngihamba so mingle nabo just isixoxa nje.
So let me have a venting moment here. Something that if there's one thing that I need to heal from angitamachi discard things sizenza thina aba strong in any but singahamba we need to accept ukuthi silama traumas.
Yeah.
Mina ngile trauma eyesoka.
Okay.
I think izongithatha isikhathi, which is why you hardly see me posting about soccer. Or I will wear my Liverpool t-shirt, support the Pirates, the Highlanders, Barcelona, but I won't totally kakhulu ku soccer banda because I played soccer professionally.
All right.
So then I played in Division 1.
Okay.
I trained at some point at Sparrows FC, like Kingston Cat.
Okay.
Right. And this Zimbabwe happened 2005. Then singa-aksela mali zokuthi ukuhambe emagemini inini vele ngavele nganyamba, and then I came to South Africa. Coming to South Africa, ama-documents awekho in place at the time. Ukuthi ungakwana and awula knowledge social media kabi khona ukuthi ubekwazi ukuthi ungaya kuphi for ama-trials lani, and the dream got crushed just like that. So I played soccer. Yabona lokho ukuthi mina la engizalwa khona ngaziwa ngakho khona ngambizwa ngoJofi. Esikolo, when I went back to speak to the kids in secondary school, headmaster introducing me, I was good academically, but when he introduced me to the kids, he said, this boy played soccer. I used to organize my matches isikolo with the community team. So I hear you.
And the mouse city inhliziyo yakho yanyamba. That's what happened to me. Mina into yangenza ngashiya ke soccer. Firstly, it was documents.
Yeah.
Ngiyakhumbula saselectors with 3.
Yeah.
It was me as a goalkeeper. Nabafana bangithiwa bangama strike.
Yeah.
Kuthi we are going to Turkey.
Yeah.
So the agent onguye wayesihambisa wayefuna ukukhokhela. Yabo
imali yangabi khona.
Imali yangabi khona. Those other 2 boys bakhokhela bahamba namanje. So mina ngahle ngathi ngathatha ama kit yami. I remember giving it to my young brother khona omunye owesemakhaya amalayitha naye manje. Ngamnikeza ama gloves, my kit, everything. I was like mntana.
So ngezinye zezinto ilizwe lethu lokho ngiyakukhuluma sibilangile, but kunama dreams amanengi that got lost along the way because of the situation elizweni lethu. Singakhuluma sithini, and this is not an excuse because mina ngizivelele emakhaya uthi uzuyodlala ku D1 uvele emakhaya vele it's impossible.
Shothi yakuthethe dedication yakho ngoyifaka ebhola
and yobu good. Abantu bakutshele la ube wazi ukuthi la mina ngiyadlala but kulahleka. Anyway, you are a jack of all trades. We are seeing you ingoma zinengi
kakhulu,
but you know my favorite,
Telumoya. Is it Telumoya Ubizo?
Telumoya
Ubizo.
Yeah, Ubizo is not favorite. It's a song that speaks to me.
Okay.
You see.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah. Because Telumoya, I was introduced to you through Telumoya. Nabolindo.
I still have the video when we filled up Windows.
Yes.
I still have the videos. People jamming, people hearing the song for the first time.
Yeah.
Gospel, hip hop, something new.
Yeah. Vele ungakazayizi uTelumoya kumele hambe uyelalela because especially for Tina, this generation that is modern, esithanda ukuthi singabi limited to ukuthi ingoma ye-church kumele ukhothanywe kuhlonitshwe, you know, and you have gone to record more songs. Yes. How many albums do you have?
Actually, I have about 2 EPs and a whole lot of single tracks.
Yeah.
Angayenzi album, but I have EP, EP ang2 lama singles nje amaningi nama music videos.
Yeah.
I mean, I like investing more in music, shooting music videos.
Yeah.
And just enjoy to take my time ukuthi abantu baqala bayezwe into engibanikeze yona. Because if now mangakutshela ngithi Telumoya, it was recorded 2020.
Yeah.
Is it 2020 or 2018?
Yeah.
Somewhere there, 2020.
Yeah.
But mawilalela manje.
Yeah.
Omunye umuntu sangathi ngoma le kanje iphume nini.
Yabo,
so ngiyathatha isikhathi ukuthi umuntu aqala azwe ukuthi kahlahle yini engayikhipha, not ukuthi ngimele ngomphayiliza ingoma. Sometimes I feel like ukuthi ngiyabe sengenza kakhulu ingazi njalo if it's a good thing.
It is a good thing. Vele sile mali kahle kule promoter sibili or people that know how to do PR and brand management. Telumoya vele kumele ibe global hit.
Ikubona ngehleka nokushoot music video.
Yeah.
Yangehlula. I shot music video first. Ngahleka ku publisher because I saw a mistake. Ikhona music video. I have it. I shot it like maybe maybe about 3 weeks after I drop.
Yeah.
I shoot a music video, but there was a certain thing I wanna to
maybe do it again. We'll do it.
And I remember the other time when we were talking about it.
Yeah.
We have to shoot it.
I said it.
Kwangena ezinye izingoma sashuta zona yona. Even abantu abaningi bahlale bebuza nje why you tell me engenayo video.
I've even said if it means redoing that song, do it, because that song is big.
It's a big song.
I believe in that song. Ukuthi ngelinye ilanga abantu bazolibeyizwa. You remember then this song in South Africa, Gumba.
Yeah.
The song was released. People didn't know until that schoolboy danced to it.
Then
it didn't even have a video. Then it started. So I think Uthela Umoya has that potential.
Mina nami ngicabanga leyo into ukuthi Uthela Umoya ifana angazi babiza bathi i-seed yani ebamboo.
Yeah,
I'm sure isayenze ezinye izinto ku-ground lapha. Uma ngabe isi-shoot awuzobona
uyathatha isikhathi la ishuta igeminate khona ikhula ibe strong. So I think maybe like as you are saying, sit down with creatives, do a video. Right now you've got like people that are creative in our space who content creation. You know, talk to people like about Chikal Joe. He's very good at directing. He captures the viewer's eyes and goes deep into the person. Try to speak to such people. Ngoba mfethu, the song is good.
Okunye engakusho ukuthi sesinga release ingoma ezimnandi.
Yeah.
But when it comes to visuals, sometimes you need a budget.
Yeah.
And they call especially ama artists okusibulalayo ngoba yabungela maybe
sifiso sabe sikhona budgeting.
Awuna sponsor, awuna budget, awuyazi ukuthi kahle uyenze kanjani kuzinto le yenzakale.
Tell me something, Mxo. Are business people from our space, especially Matebele land, do they see any value in investing in art?
I'll be honest. Yabona kube bayabona i-value of music kube maybe bayenza something. Ungakhumbula kahle uHandy Sibanda.
Yeah.
He tried to do ingoma eyihlanganisa ama-Plumtree.
Remember. Yeah.
It was something that was big, that was beautiful. But few abantu abayiphakamelayo into la. And ngiyakhumbula ngathi ngifika manje ngoDecember ngafikela kwenye indawo. Ngakhuluma lo munye ubaba kanti ubaba lana vele owns one of the biggest clubs ePlumtree. Ngithi yazi kule ngoma engake ngayenza nama-guitars ePlumtree lapha. Ethi ingoma ethi ngiyamtshela ngithi ingoma ethi vuka Plumtree wathi.
Yeah.
Uthi were you a part of that song?
Yeah.
Because it's one of the best songs ezavela lapha ePlumtree. Why ningasayenzi?
Yeah.
Kwasho ukuthi uHandy tried so many times. Ungathemba kunabo vuka Plumtree maybe afika 4-3. Pusha zama ukusipusha but okoqala thina asingama artists asibambananga. We are in a competition. Thina soda
instead of say following the lead of this person who's saying let's create this.
Exactly. Yeah, bese ibonile vision. And lami nje songa ngibhekile vision ukuthi uHandy kahlahla uyaphi nento le. Uyazama ukuthi asikhuphule because thina sisendaweni ukuthi mina oqanga nga understand angazi ukubona nepost yami ngayibuza ngathi makuthiwa ama-artist akobulawayo kukhulunywa ngobani.
Hayi but lapho kuyabuqinisile ngoba lami ngilokuhlangana lapho uza abantu sebengifaka kuthiwa from Bulawayo I take offense mina sokobulawayo.
Into ngangibuza ngoba most of the times ngangithi maybe makukhulunywa ngama-artist abuya eside nematebeleni ama-artist anjani akobulawayo ngize ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba thina sigudu kanje ePlumtree. Obabongile begudu kanje Yugo bebakhulu kanje. Is it because ngoba nangu Yugo is one of the best DJs manje ukuthi angabi mkhulu ngaleyo ndlela? Is it because uya ePlumtree not kobulawayo onayo ufola kumele accept ukuthi ufola under ibulawayo?
But you're losing your identity phela nxa usufuna ukuba part of, because Java or Big Zulu whoever base goli uzodinga imali anje.
Exactly.
But who are they representing? Java uzokutshela ngeBergville, uCasper uzokutshela ngeMaftown, Mafikeng.
That's what I'm saying.
You know, like also Penduku uzokutshela ngeForce because this is where they were born and bred. So Tina, I think maybe in wanting to identify as from Bulawayo, then maybe this is where we are losing it. Or also, I mean, abantu they've been indoctrinated ukuthi obuya kobulawayo nguye kuphela ovele ePlumtree ungamthathi serious.
Yes. I mean, I think ngenye into ehambisele emuva kancane maybe ngoko music because I feel like kwangcindezela in a way because kwakuthi makukhulunywa ama-artist akobulawayo ngangisaba mina ukusubmit. Ngithi lapha bafuna ama-artist akobulawayo bengangibuza ukuthi ngibuya kuphi kwakobulawayo mase ngisubmitile ngizothi ngibuya kobulawayo ngingakwazi. Mina I was born Kondolwane, ngafunda Kondolwane, ngaqeda Kondolwane form 4 wami, ngabuya eGoli. Kubulawayo vele ngingayazi total.
Yeah, I mean, nami ngisho kubulawayo siyadlula phela ngikwazi.
So makuthi ama-artist akobulawayo yikho kade kungishaya ngithi are we included or maybe kukhulunywa ngalabo abakhona vele khona lapho.
So I think this conversation needs to be had so that abantu ilungiswe and also the elders abahamba phambili bathi ukuthi no siyabe sithi ukuthi ngoba ngiyabe sensesaba mina to lose my identity. Mina ngwasesigodini ngwasembizini. Akula muntu ozothi uJovi ngakhula la kobulawayo enkulumane intumbane hayi akekho.
Yabo.
Mina ngakhulela embizingwe ngaze ngaqeda form 4. After kuyikhosi sakobulawayo nakhona uvakatshele kobhudi or kobani bani. So now
at least ubuvakaza. Mina zavakaza. Mina ngibona ibulawayo maybe kawani ngidlula ngibuya lapha ekhona.
Yeah.
Ngayibona manje senzisenze izinto zami kobulawayo ngisashoot music video okangidla imali yami ngiyenza ama collaboration nama artist abanye akobulawayo lapha.
Yeah. Yabo. So now makusenziwa into esifana nama awards lani should they be named after ubulawayo or they should be named after a region? Angazi.
No, uyabona umuntu maybe mabe wa name ne right mabe thi Bulawayo Arts Awards or maybe sorry we mention that even if I don't know if it's allowed. It's fine if they're saying maybe Bulawayo Arts Awards or Phumula Watwati
Awards. Yes, no, let's mention because this conversation is for us to learn.
It's good. But then Tina as an artist must submit angazi ukuthi maybe there is a certain way esingasubmit ngayo kuze be understand ukuthi Tina sibuya ePlum Grant and ibulawayo lama artists akobulawayo sisebenza nabo and in hand abanye sihlangana nabe studio abanye yibo abasenzela ama beats but sibuya outside of ibulawayo. So if you are saying like ibulawayo artist sase sifile ngathi maybe sesivalelekile then Tina asinawo ama Plum Tree Awards.
Bulawayo is a metropolitan city that has people that come from different places. So unless if it's a matter of culture. Maybe. If it's a matter of culture ukuthi manje Bulawayo so kumele ibe nguninized and what not, but also now what do you say about the Kalanga, the Donga, the Nambi?
You understand?
Because kungaba le shona siyakhala.
Exactly. Yabo. Ngiyangona ukuthi njani?
Yeah.
Umuntu mayezenzela into yakhe, uyazenzela into yakhe but mayenzela abantu yenzela ama artist akungabi ama artist afile ngathi avale manga counter mina manje ngithi ama artist okay Bulawayo artist ne makuna ama awards how many artists are we outside from Bulawayo city are nominated besides ngakabalawe Rumba because ama artists Rumba our originate
Bulawayo akula vele artist yerumba ethi yazalelwe yakhulela kobulawayo yafunda irumba Bulawayo irumba ifunda imlagini
esayidini yabo so awekho so into zami kuyitsho ukuthi uma ungabhekisisa wonke ama nominees abe khona a few futhi nakhona ngazi bakhona abe buya maybe Plum abe buya maybe Nkayi abe buya maybe maybe akhona abe benkayi because abanye bekhulele kobulawayo but abakhulele emakhaya sengikhulumela abantwini abakhulele like emakhaya ama reserve especially thina ngapha kobo Plum kobo Cholocho kunama artists amaningi yabo but then kunzima ukuthi singene siyazama and siyayihlonipha ukuthi imisebenzi yama organizers nama promoters yonke siyayihlonipha but then it's so hard ukuthi sinokhe kuphi kwakhona ukuze sivulele. We have worked.
It is handy with the work that he has done. I think he deserves kube sewathola some award angazanga nominate.
That's what I'm saying.
But is it because ngoba so wakobulawayo?
That's what I'm saying ukuthi maybe mina ngi-understand ngenye indlela or ngilanda mawala
we need to be schooled
or maybe izongivalela amanye ama channel angazi
no
but into engifuna ukuyibuza futhi sengizoyibuza futhi nakhona because even though abantu bangiphendula ku Facebook sengizoyibuza futhi ukuthi uma besithi ama-artist akho Bulawayo mina owase Plumtree included yini kumbe included mase ukuthi ama-artist asemaThebeleland.
Yeah, it's a question that I think ababukeleyo abadala abahamba phambili, the organizers and whatnot, if anyone takes offense from a conversation like this, kuthi ukuthi abengafuni ukusifundisa, but this is a learning moment for us. Ngoba ngibuza ngoba eqinisweni angikwazi. I remember at some point there was some back and forth ngendaba yama BAA. I had honestly not seen ukuthi babepostile ngama nominations, and when then so vele ukuthi kunominate obani, people ask questions. I also had a question, but there are people that took their time to explain, and I learned a lot.
Yeah,
wangipusha la ukuthi so kumele ngisihluphe going forward ngokuthi visit these pages, check what's happening, because uhlala sicomplaina kuphela akusizi.
Yeah, mina lama abantu abaningi sebanikeza ama advices amaningi ukuthi ndoda uma ungabona ukuthi akuyenzakali kuwe kumbe kini yenza wena o hamba uye kibo uyababuza abantu bangikhona ukuthi ngiyenze njani ke ukuze lami ngibe involved,
ucele udinga ulwazi.
Yes, ngiyenze njani ukuze ngibe involved, ucela ulwazi ube part of leyo nto yabizoyenziwa.
Yeah, I mean, I think abantu abafana nalabo Handy with the work that he has done, brah, we need to recognize them.
And I don't know whether it's slogan sakhe, but ngikhumbula ngiyilanga esithi my last dance or my last
no
show.
Uyabe
into yena ngicabanga ukuthi iyamodla,
we have conversations sometimes and then I feel that way sometimes. I felt that way. Nami sengingathi mina yakujika ngayekela. You're not looking for attention, you're not being petty, you're trying to communicate. Maybe we don't know how to communicate things like this, and also it'll be because uyabona ukuthi bayenzani kwezinye indawo ubusucabanga ufila engathi people are not really recognizing what we are doing. But mina uHandy, bruh, I've told him in person, I can write posts and whatnot, but that guy, I wanna say it here today, that guy has done so much for our artists. We had Fifi Cooper, sorry to cut you. Fifi Cooper was in Plumtree,
but nothing was said.
Newspapers, influencers, big people, bloggers that are always making people trend. They didn't talk about it. Instead, at some point there was some attack, and there was a deal that we actually lost because when Fifi Cooper went home, there was some attack on a South African artists, and there is a huge deal that was going to even help establish Umalume Lo Aphiwe business-wise, that got cut off because of how we behave.
Uyabona into yakhona, so angazi ukuthi yimbi eyani kwenzakalani, but this thing iyasilimaza kakhulu. And it division na level ukuthi Harare artist,
yes,
Bulawayo artist, angazi ukuthi yonqhamukaphi. Iko sometimes ngiya understand ne ukuthi mabe sithi Bulawayo artist maybe we are included because babe sithi Bulawayo artist bephinde bethi Harare artist. Angeke beze bethi kumele maybe kanti amanye kanje amaswingo artist and babonke basefola under what Harare, but then so thina sifola under iBulawayo.
So ukuthi umuntu wasemaThebeleland ngapha the umbrella term is Bulawayo, not meaning indawo, but it's spreading its wings into other parts outside of Bulawayo.
Maybe fika komakhulele, yafika Cholochi, yafika koLupane, Skodini ngapha around and
so maybe correct us nxa si wrong. Sicela ukufunda
as attack umuntu, mina vele ngifuna ukubakwazi. Into le yangilemaza because mina ngiphusha kakhulu bhuti omdala.
I have pushed,
angiphusha kakhulu izinenge izinto lama artist amanye angangifakazela namhlanje ukuthi into phela iyaphusha le, and abantu abaningi
kumele vele kube somkhulu
kakhulu. Abantu abaningi vele bacabanga ukuthi ame celebrity kanti vele angiso celebrity.
Yes, celebrity.
Angiso celebrity. Abantu abaningi bayibona imisebenzi yabe ngiyenza, but kuba buhlungu uma ubona ukuthi ekhaya abayi-recognize
Yeah.
even though uyazama ukusenda ama-emails
Yeah.
or uyazama ukuthi ucela ukuthi maybe bakudlalele ingoma zakho
Kuma
kuma-radio
radio
station unless maybe you know someone maybe ephakathi umcele ngezinye indlela ukuthi indoda ngiyacela kumbe bhuti ngiyacela kumbe sisi ngiyacela ngicela ungidlalele something lami ngizithole njani ngiyipart of abantu
bakithi ngibe ku ready
ngibe ngiyipart yabantu bakithi manje kube nzima kuba nzima kakhulu.
But enough about that. And then you at some point ususenza irumba. How does that come about?
All right. I mean, I think angazi ungabiza ukuthi ngubizo.
Ubizo. Lubizo. Yenelani ingoma lelana ubizo.
Mina ngumuntu othanda ukusiza abantu. Vele impilo yami. Ngisho nase family yami bakwazi ukuthi onlomuza too much wena uyakwanisa uyathanda ukusiza abantu. So into eyenza ukuthi ngibe ku Rumba was this. I remember it was around 2023 2022 khona lapho ngilo Uncle Kenny sister isela ama CD wami awe hip hop ngiceda ukhipha i-album yami lalela bothela umoya EP bothela umoya. Uncle Kenny siyaxoxa labana siyaxoxela ngeRumba sixoxa ngomusic wami just la esaqala ukuthi abe ngazi deep about ukuthi ngona mfana uyakithi sibili kucula kanje ingoma ezinandi kanje thina besicabanga ukuthi mekuyi Black Diamond ingoma ezinje so ngiyamtshela ngithi aish kunenge ngikufunda ngaphi kobo hip hop la kuma piano and enginesifiso sokuthi ngabe kune platform esingayicreate sikuthathe lokhwana from amapiano sikulethe ku Rumba sikubuye sikutshintsha sesikwenza iRumba kungasiza kungakhuphula iRumba yethu phezulu ngoba kunengi mawuthi uyabheka ama art cover wabo mahle kakhulu mawuthi uyabheka ingoma zabo kuma digital platforms mawuthi uyabheka ama music visuals ama awards ama posters ama updates yabo so decide ukuthi okay maybe let's open something for iRumba ngoba since inje so yikho ngingena mina ku Rumba ke open that Rumba news channel lapho esizama khona ukuthi siza ama artist maningi ama artist but amanyangele ayile ngoma ezingekho ngazi
la artists bakhona abakhulu zibile ngoma ezingekho online
baningi ababuyayo bezodinga usizo yesingese simention abakhulu sibile ama artist amakhulu prominent artist
bala lama views kubo YouTube and Facebook but they are not monetized
yabona so abuya mina sabasiza fake ingoma online digital. I remember umunye wazwayethuka uma esekhipha imali yakhe ngoba ubuyabheka wathi indoda imali yami singakanani lapha ngabe ngamtshela ngathi indoda lapha sile mali efika 47,000 wathi ngathi nansi ngacheck wayikhipha
into ayengakaza ayicabanga angakaza abe yazi before
not only one person omunye wakhipha omunye wakhipha 40 something omunye wakhipha 30 something I'm talking figures as ama-rand ama-thousands
I know
yabona abantu besidla imali online yabo into engayenzakala abantu
before babefaka isingoma
kuma CD bethayisa umbe
or ekhona kanti khona yake yahlupha yabo zinja leya umdala lwana wafaka ingoma zabo ku page like ku YouTube platform yake and then wabechona bengela ama password ukuthi bangena njani uzinja wakhuluma ngayo when we spoke to him ku podcast earlier I think if not a year
yabona manje with me mina ngiyathanda ukushare knowledge so kulabo abafika early ngoba manje phela umuntu uyangokuya kanjani nalokho ehambe efunda ukuthi abantu babehave kanjani uma umuntu usumsizile so labo abafika early mina ngangibabonisa ukuthi uvula so u-upload so iphathezi yakho nanzi hanti but uma ukuthi khona ukukuhluphayo ngoba vele kukhona kuzakuhlupha ubuye back kimpathi ngiyenzela ukuthi ukukwanisa ukuzingenela wena ezintweni zakho ungathi mase ngingasekho sithi ngifana lana
wadimali yami
uyabona igama lami selihlala kudama ukuthi uthike ubaba kabani uplana wadla imali ka so laba abafika early ngangibabonisa because nami knowledge ayisasencane ukuthi sometimes phela you have to turn some things to business.
Absolutely. And mina wa in charge of content creation bra.
Exactly, sometimes you have to be sisaqalisa lapha I think bese investor maybe masibabonisa ukuthi ayenza so but now umuntu obuyayo yesisamsiza on a fee.
Yeah.
Exactly. Uyamtshela umuntu
andile uzokwenza imali.
Of course. ngoba even mase yenzile imali yankhona phela umuntu akangeke abe yathi khona anded apha ngezi imali engakho 10,000 ethatha 8,000 abakuniki something so yikho kusifundisayo ukuthi okay
so that ngingabe bitter kusasa let me charge
ngoba unikeza into yami ukuthi mawusikhipha imali kodwa unikeza mawunikeza but angithi ngibhadalile
yebo
exactly
wow so this is where now you end up getting into a rumba and then now doing a rumba song
okay doing a rumba song nakhona bengi experimenta bengifuna ukubona ukuthi kahle ngitswempo yini ngacula ingoma ethi sebelo licwembana ngicula lo Phunyuka noGovisani ngichala amakatare nguBramuza noSontala Mafingo uHopman Ncube kanjalo ingoma lana ngathi ngiyenza ingoma engangicelwe ngabadala ekhaya mami stepfather
serious
yes my stepfather wayethanda ingoma zami ngizakutshela nje story ube ngiqale ngithi ube ethanda ingoma zami then ngizokuchasisa so wangicela in fact wangicela isikhathi eside wathi khona sicela even ungasenzeli ingoma ewane rumba siyazizwa lezi ezi hip hop zimnandi njani so ngathi okay ngihambe studio ngafika ngerecord ingoma yazi ngizakutshela one thing into yaba buhlungu kakhulu kimi and namanje sasebuhlungu ngathi sengiyenzile ingoma lana in fact ngase ngivumile ngayenza ingoma on the day ngisithi ngiya release ingoma lana ngangakabasendeli but on the day ngithi ngiyabasendela ingoma umdala ekseni kumele ngiyombona ngisiyambonisa lo mntwana ngangitholela lo mntwana last year 5 Feb ngabe ngithatha umntwana ngithatha unkosikazi siqonda kumdala mase siyafika ngale sizokutha umdala womthwala esibhedlela ekseni safika around I think 8 and then around 10 bafona ukuthi umdala kasekho
no bra
leso sikhathi kumele ngiyombonisa umntwana
lengoma ayicelayo shit
yabo so into lena yanlimaza ukuthi ish
I should have done it earlier so sola
yabo and uma already uyazithanda zona lezi ngoma uyazithi ingoma kamdala unophosa uthavela nokungisendela message angisendela ingoma kamdala yabo ngicabanga ukuthi eish yeah
so this also shows the relationship that you guys both had
yes bona babe ikwazi ukuthi mangayenzi irumba ngine potential but babengafuna ukungitshela direct babengafuna ukungitshela direct ukuthi ndoda yekela into oyenza le anti maybe yenza into yakwenza but yenza futhi le rumba sibone ukuthi bakuthanda ngaphi but ngayenza ingoma yerumba abantu they were so amazed ukuthi
bayithanda
irumba rap
yeah
phela I did some powerful rap
something engekho engakazibe khona
something unique ngafaka irap lapha ku kunjani ku rumba abantu bayithanda
ungela fear kodwa ukuthi izoflopa phela lento le
mina ukuthi umuntu ohlala ne-energy nje entswempu umuntu othanda ukuthi azithembe kakhulu mangena e-studio ngiyazithemba ngihle ngiqala uyenza i-friendship ngiyenze lama-jokes ingaka record ngiyenze ukuthi abantu be-understand ukuthi even mangiflopa babecanga ukuthi I'm joking kanti ngiyaflopa inkozilungisa ke mina ngoba mangangena nginjalo ngitatazela lo ngiyenza amaflopa ngicina inhliziyo yami yacina iwela phansi ngicela nyampa inhliziyo ngiyekela ukurecord
so i-hip hop yona usazoqhubeka kuyenza
yes I'm actually working on a manje ngiyenza album for the first time
okay
not EP I want to make an album
I
have some artists esengikhulume nabo already that are in engizoba announce nje soon
okay
ama artists answampu ama local South Africans and Zimbabweans nabanye nje esengikhulume nabo bavuma but hayi akuna problem and I'm gonna be doing hip hop yami vele abantu abangazi abantu abangithande ngayo from the beginning ngizobe ngiyenza yona naleyana yabo so abantu abahlale be ready for now I'm working on in fact someone called it new age piano let me just say Black Diva
calls it
she called it new age piano there's a song that I'm working on isiphelile kahle ingoma
is that the one that you announced egcwele
yes ama artists akubulawayo yes
so Diva
ungakambali uDiva ungakambali yes balu othi uladi
Ngiladi
ubale uNovia Sigel, uBila, uma9, uPrince Khumalo, 22K.
Prince Khumalo esikhosini?
I think that's the guy.
Yeah.
22K. Umbane ngikhohlwe TX Flexi. Those two boys rapping at baxoxa so abantswempo. So for now these are the
those guys in the song.
Yes,
it's
on the song.
Fire.
You know, I feel like even on this interview, you can actually put something in Nanuti. Nancy Lapi into ngayo. So unfortunately, Black Diva, she is busy with something. She asked to go to uzay pushing.
Okay. Yes. Are they excused from being part of the song?
Yes, but uzay pushing. Ucelile for some reasons. Nga respect ama reasons account. Savumelana. So uzombona uzabe push.
I am Themba lapha ekupusheni ingoma.
Uzabe push.
Siqalisa ingoma. Sivuka ngayo silala ngayo so the video.
And uma ngakutshela ukuthi ingoma le yaqala kuphi? Ingoma le yaqala eCholocho.
Ngesikhathi uzenza that show yaseCholocho.
Ishow eCholocho eRumba lana. La 6 December. I met ngahamba no 22K. Ngahamba no videographer wami visuals by Kore. So sathi sile waqhamuka uBrema. Sasenza ibeat. Kwaqhamuka uBrema lapho engangiloje khona. Akazani kanti ngangabukhe khona. So uBrema uthe sithola senze ibeat laphana wafika wasifakela ibass line like ngomlomo but isinikeza idea. Wasinikeza beat labantswempo shout out to Simzejwana, shout out to Brema. Wasinikeza hayi ndoda lapho into lemele flow so uNtutike layo phezulu beat walezi beat labantswempo zakhuphuka sabuya eKobulayo ngabe ngakhuluma nama artists ngakhumbula la ngicela ngithi ngicela yes ngakhuluma nama artists bavuma abanye ngabathatha sule busuku ngiyakhumbula ngisalanda uBila around 1 am lapho hlala khona yes sahamba sayo recorder ngalanda uDiva ngaqala ngalanda uDiva around I think around 12 ebusuku landa uDiva ngalanda uBila saye studio safika zathola uTiflo laphana sa recorder if sasingela ID kusafika recorder sahamba nebeat
kuphela
yes akuna concept akwazahlala phansi madod senzeni la asila hook asikwazi sibhale ngani inhlanhla uBlack Diva vela wele something wayengathi unayo and
uDiva is talented on top of her head right now unikeza ibeat uyaqala ukucula something lapho ngiyamtshela
uyayithanda ibrand yakhe into engayo
she loves art she lives art uDiva uyambona ukuthi why she's misunderstood. It's art. Iart yahlanyisa. Iart. Ngobona iartist li right ekhanda. They're not artists enough.
Abaso artists enough. So saba ne idea angena mina ngathi intro. Sayi verse lami le intro ngalipush. Hayi wathula. Wangena uDiva wathi. Hayi sabona ukuthi lapha vele kuyakhuphuka la. Awuphila wavela freestyle phezulu kwebeat
ngapha.
Sahle sathi ngwasabhala.
uBila ilezana.
Khona ukuhlabelela, waye freestyle. Sathi khona ukuhlabelela asafuna ukuthini.
uBila mina ngifanisa lo Java.
He's so talented and he's so humble. Wayelelo so uBila samvusa wavuka ebuthunga nathi yini seliqedile. Ngiya recorder yini ngicela indlalela. Sadlala wafika ku mic lapha na yenza ama hymns kwangena iflow wacula.
uBila vele engaqhubeka njani uyakhachana. Even the way yakhuluma lawe ngakhona ephone the respect the humility alayo leya izamusa khachana.
Is amazing. WhatsApp uma9 wathi ndoda mina in 900 angathi izinto
ingoma leyo sizagida vele
WhatsApp I think WhatsApp umzo7 wayebambekile wayekutho I think wayese I think umzo7 wayese no wayela SA but wayeze for something ngiyakhumula sithi seSantin for some meetings and stuff.
I think I remember that time.
So isikhathi sangakhambelani laye wathini on the next uyabe khona because I don't want to do this kube ingoma
ufuna ukuthi
iqhubeke and no JC naye uJC naye wathi ushaya isikhathi plus recently opened the studio
wayesebhiza lapha nevula studio sakho
in fact wa record uJC but something delayed ukuthi ama vocals afika so sathina is like sithi hayi
Next project.
Let's bank this thing. It has to unite us. It's continuous overnight.
Yeah.
So it's a project. It's a project that is gonna be going.
Yeah.
And as ngiyafisa ukuthi i-project le ingabe nje i-project abantu abazoyibukela phansi. Ababe i-project ibe enkulu, even angazi ukuthi ngathini. Maybe sengayicina ngirename icini offend abantu and nama artists abephakathi ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ngeyami kanti kungaseyami kungeyethu. So ngiyabe ngifisa nokuthi kube nabantu aba-involved sile babone ukuthi bengayenza njani.
There's a guy that I'll suggest uhambe but uyemchecka Cubic.
Okay.
Yeah, especially with production and beat making and also Ule, she's got an ear for like beautiful sounds and like ukuthi like njengobhila what you saying freestyle uthi into khona ngomthumela beat so ngesikhathi ilaleli kahle ebele something and unasi style futhi sakho sona lezi so like check it out sayenza sonke ingoma Peace angifune Mjolo the remix that guy,
and I liked the way he mastered the song. He's the one who mixed and mastered the song.
He's the one. He's good.
He's
good.
An international mastering.
Yes. So ngabantu engicabanga ukuthi mali ngasebenzisana I think lingaphuma lento entswembu.
Kumele sipushe, kumele sisebenze and mina ngiyafisa vele ukusebenza nama artists amaningi and I'm open to work with anyone.
Yeah,
because mina lami talent ngiyalimita or ngiyagwabizela abanye abantu. Ngiyafisa ukuthi abantu babe free ukuthi babuye sisebenze sibone ukuthi siyaphi as long umuntu yankona yami umuntu serious.
So uzosinikeza i-album ye-pop as you've said irumba yaqhubeka.
irumba ba ngiforced ngoba kunabantu ababehind abeloko ngithi mangizidlalele umuntu asende imali athambo yenze njengengoma engikhiphile irumba sengiyi1 someone wase Gwanda
othumeni imali athambo yenze
D Ontsula uzibiza ngo D Ontsula ngingazi ukuthi igama lakhe la ayidinga ubani
serious
Ontsula uhlala ePitori lana umuntu walanda ku TikTok wathi ndoda wena we getting another song ngabe ngithi mina irumba yadura obviously kimi imali na wesithi single isingangikhosta maybe almost imali engaka kanti in fact ngase ngiyenzile ini ngathi mina i-single sengayiyenza ama guitars sengiwafakile studio but now the money to record ngangithanda always the icon that now we need a song how much do you need mina ngikhuluma ngathi ngiyadlala Mr. You can send me imali engaka ngoba i-studio is recorder kuphela kungabi it's about 800 rand i-single ku recorder not to capture ama artists ama artists la lesinga end up uspend almost 4,000 for a single
wabethumela imali
umuntu wabethumela imali ngaba under pressure kwenye indlela ngiqonde studio sakho ngisa record ingoma ngemali sengiyidlile
Belezi ingoma
ngafika ngashaya ingoma ngafika ngacula ingoma wayithanda sibili wayiphusha ngamuza sile phusha ku Nasty FM wala idlala sibili kuma emsakazeni lapho ngiyasho ukuthi hey umjidala wade serious that day he sent me another man uthi kimi wayembuza something so into yankhona idinga imali futhi so wathi kimi imali leyo nto wawumtshela so ngiyabona mangena ku app yami ubank ngiyabona kubhalwe YouTube ngithi okay YouTube imali engenile ngiyambuza ngithi kanti did you send money uthi kune reference abale YouTube iyona le imali so those are the people ababele befuna ukuthi ngiyenzeni ngibe ngiyenza irumba but mina I'm not a rumba artist mina I'm a hip hop artist and I understand what I want to understand into one mina I'm a gospel artist
that's what I know.
I'm not just an artist, I'm a gospel artist.
That's what I know from the
beginning. I do music for the youth nabantu abadala relate ku music wami mina vele my mandate was to win souls
for the church
mina music lo ngiqala ukuwenza we gospel ngawuyenzele Christ Embers
eRandburg noma
ngangise Christ Embers Auckland Park party into zonke ngizenzele eRandburg
I've seen videos
wahamba uyobheka vele izinto zami ngiqalisa uzabona ukuthi umfana lo ube celebrate la sesontweni
I know beskrima
kakhulu like winning souls like crazy yabo like mangenza music ngikasho ukuthi ngiyabheka ukuthi abantwana bathandani kakhulu yini into abayithandayo but then i-message kuze iyefika kibi right ngingayisenda njani mawuthi bathanda amapiano nala amapiano vele amapiano
that gospel piano
ibona bese sontweni mawuthi alifuna ukuthi bamamela amapiano ngcono mbayenze laba amapiano ay gospel ngabashayela mina amapiano gospel music khona ingoma phandle abalele sabelele wata vele abalele abavuke izinengi blessings ngihamba nawe
umoya njalo it's gospel hip hop
ivumile inkosi izinengi ingoma ngenzela abantwana ababenjani bese sontweni ababefisa ukuthi bahlale sontweni
balalele modern sound
uyathola ukuthi ayefuna ukumamela DJ Tira but uthola ukuthi umama wakhe ufuni ebese sithi mami bathi mamela ingoma le igospel but ikhala nje nga DJ Tira
I see now then kuzophuma there's a song you recently did no 2K no bani futhi
the letting ngidlimela or you mean the song ngiyazile lena ngiyenze no 2K is the one behind the production ngidlimela yami iphume no music video iphume last year ngo December nakhona yonke into vele bengiplana ngama last minutes even nokuyipromote ngona kube kuncane because ngithe ngiqeda ku release ngabe siya no ngayi recorder then ngayikha ngisayenza event liyana so ngithe sekhaya ngaba ne pressure nengi kakhulu ukuthi ngipromote ingoma lana but ngashuta music video ekhaya ngashuta no Corey music video yaphuma umuhle kakhulu khona ku YouTube we have submitted it salindile kuphela ukuthi maybe sithi
ile labo Jacob
yes inabo Jacob one of the best imnandi
ingoma imnandi but ingoma leyana someone then comes up and says when you stole their song
the idea
umacala ngisho
no it's something
treasy like
macala
so macala ngutreasy
something I don't know but somewhere there
wayenza ingoma lo Diva Liane
so I don't know what's the idea behind the guy ukuthi heze acabanga ukuthi angigugula ndinge ezethi khona mina ngitshentshi ingoma ama lyrics wakhe then kube yimi futhi ukuqala ukurelease leyo ngoma yena irelease maybe 1 month after and the more uyayimamela ingoma ngona vele it's totally different ama lyrics
but did you guys talk about it too
no
did he reach out to you
no the last time I had ubele ezinye lobuhlungu
but because we saw it online labana so posted I posted nami ngabuza ukuthi manje lapha mbani
we never spoke we just exchanged a conversation kuma comments ngihamba ngayo comment phansi ngoba wayentagile watag inhleko waye tag under ipost
ikhulumane FM
ufika wathi khona thina wathi thina siya submit ingoma zethu azidlala kodwa umunye umuntu othethe ingoma yami watshintsha wayenze yakhe iyadlala ingoma yakhe so ngihamba ngaya ngazama ukuthi ngimlandele umuntu ngibona ukuthi uqaleni ngenza music angazathi khona mina ngithethe ingoma yakhe useka poster something mina because mangenza music mina Mr Ncube my president mina ungayethuka mangakutshela ukuthi ngimamele umusic ongi-inspire mangulalela mina ngimamela esishoneni ngithola mamele uFerdinand ngingamuzi ukuthi uthini
when an artist
when ngimuzwa spiritual ukuthi lo muntu uthini unthole mamela uJapreza ngimuzwa spiritual but into yabe ngicula yabe ngafana nesidalo unthole mamele uHoly 10
that's why you get the inspiration vele kunjalo abantu abaningi umzo 7 uzokutshela utheni ulalela uFelix Thombani Fela Kuti
yes
uzothi ndlalela some Spanish musician le
mina ngihamba check vele Spotify sami yathola iplaylist yami kebe nguFerdinand number 1 I love it I wish vele one day mina vele the day ngireta music bese ngenza ingoma naye mangayenza ingoma naye
I listen to Japreza
yakumamela uFerdinand
I have listened to her I listen to reggae mina from Jamaica and then you find me listening to music from Eastern Africa you know ngingafuna ukuzwa ukuthi bathini but also it inspires you to even create more when I write music for other artists I get inspiration kakhulu from Western Eastern Africa
vele music is about inspiration and sokukuweke wena ukuthi uma usi-inspire lo artist olimamelayo uqhamuka nani akumela ngaphela ube yi-copycat ukuthi uma umamele iflow ka Japreza usiyacula ngesindebele uhamba ngeflow kaJapreza so ngathi
akusahambisana
akusahambisana nawe seko creative
uGabza the small uthawenza njalo nxa bela ama studio sessions uyafaka ingoma zakudala ezishangana like izenzane zabo Josh Rimani ngelina ngithole lalela ama Soul Brothers uthatha inspirations from the people that have gone before us.
Exactly, it's all about inspiration. Manje kunzima kakhulu ngapha kurumba uhluthuka esibile ukuthi usitshontshe ingoma yomuntu usitshontshe i-idea yomuntu
wena phela khona futhi enye uthiwa ayitshontshe erumba
hayi lapha ngokuthetho yami
bathathi yakho bona
in fact kwakhona yazi ukuthi kwenzakalani into eyenzakalayo umuntu owangitshayela ama guitars wahamba yochayela loyo muntu so I feel like wakhohlwa ukuchaya a different intro wachaya the very same thing ingoma yaphuma yabo and eyamini 1 month iphumile lo muntu wakhiphe yakhe and so hayi mina ngiyathi ngithi ayikona ingoma sikufanana kwengoma lokho but mina ngizange ngiphatha kabi ngakuthanda ukuthi
yabukwazi so la usule inspiration
ngayithanda le ngoma yabo ngayithanda ngangakaze ngibalalele kakhulu and but after lapho ngalandela ingoma zabo ezinye kuthiwa Imbamba Express ngalandela ingoma zabo ezinye ngazi ukuthi zimnandi and those people they love uMthimbani so much uThemba Boyoyo so ngabona ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi ngilephane nawo ngile nabo whilst umuntu ongitshayeleyo ku the very same person obatshayeleyo ngakhuluma naye uBudasi wantshela ukuthi kuvela kwatholakala eplankeni ngokuthi akutholakala eplankeni ukuthi sokwenzakele iphutha lenzeka and plus ingoma yabo yayibhale remix meaning ukuthi yikho okwangenza ngaba limited uyabo ukuthi makuthi ayi remix kungaba kuhlungu ukuthi maybe abungangicelanga ukuthi mina ngizo remix ingoma yakho but then mina ngizange ngaba le ndawo because I'm not a rumba artist
but also mina ngahle ngijabula ukuthi which means into engiyenzile inswembu nxa kulabanye abantu abafuna ukuyiphinda
uyabo but ingoma zabo hayi number 1 lamanje ngiyasithanda
siyabonga at least when drama uyithandi
mina drama ngiyayibalekela futhi
ngiyayisaba
not ukuthi ngiyayisaba idrama ayikhuliswanga ngokudelela angikhuliswanga mina makuthi into yakukwatisa ngiyasheshe ukuthi ngiziqoqe
ngikulandisana uxolisa
kodwa ukuthi ngiphazamisile ngoba ngeke ngikwadele ngingakona makuthi ungikwadele kusho khona ukuthi
kukhona into oyiphambanisileyo
so mina ngikubuze ukuthi yini engiyenzileyo if you are willing to talk then let's fix it uyabo but if you are not willing to talk okay lawe phile yakho lami njani impilo yami kodwa singaqebani anti ngiphazamisela ufuna ukukhuluma mina ngiyafisa ukukhuluma but makuthi asabonani ngaleyo ndlela then you can stay there isikhathi esifikile then sizaphinda esikhuluma
sesivala fast forward baphinda bakufaka futhi ku drama by the way siyabonga imota
yes umfana onemota
angathi
imota kuphela umfana olobolileyo
umfana olemoto olobolile wena indoda
umfana wakipitisi yazi
well done let me tell you before Sekajana you texted me and I'll say this now abantu belalele well done ikuba indoda khonokyana ngabukela episode yethu sike sayenza lo Ayanda emalangeni besikhuluma touching about what ukuthi umuntu ongumama feels that they've achieved the moment bechada umuntu wendoda la achievement yakhe ukuthi khona umuntu wenelisa ukuyalobola
yazi
kodwa uthenga imoto hayi isisebenzi
uyabona into ebhlungu ukuthi uyabuhlalela umntana abantu bengakwazi kiba nti ngimasihlalisane
sekho
ukhambe lize lenza umntwana kaba nzima lo even umuntu yazi uyabomthanda umuntu wakhona ngeke that's why vele izelifike kuleso stage kuba nzima kakhulu ukuthi even umpost ngoba abantu bazathi umithi umuntu
ngidela
wathi yabo so I mean I think uNkulunkulu vele wambusisa ngalowo mnyaka last year sesidinga lo mnyaka sangathi kudala last month uNkulunkulu vele wathi ayipam thatha imali nansi mfana mhambo lo wela athi imali nazi khona mhambo uyothenga imoto
hayi awasebenza
so into zami zenzakala nje
siyabona then imoto ayimosuyithengile sebekufaka ku drama manje so waliphuma kwenye event
so yabona idrama leyana ne the person owangithekayo kuleyo drama is the person who knows me through Facebook kakaze sihlangane
face to face
ne so umuntu lana umuntu waposta wathi kuthiwa kulabantu akade benza so emoteni so
wena usule mota
so umuntu owareplyayo wahamba wareplya ngesithombe sami lesika Sileto wathi ngu-TK Mxoxik nobani akade bese bele mota so abantu abasazizwanga kahle yafika ngathi sokuthi uTK nguye kade yenza leyo
abantu ku social media phela
vele bathi bayithela fast kodwa uTK then kwaba lo muntu ohamba othethe isithombe sami nginaSileto
Sileto Nkomo
manko
content creator vele simazi
amazaza lento le
ikho CCD uSileto kumnawo hayi matoto
yes
ongasitshatsha kodwa
ungasitshatsha
okay
so ngokuposta ngokuthatha isithombe sami ngilo Sileto wafika wakhomenta ngaso wathi ngu-TK lobani ama-artist akade semcimbini kaLiza akade lezi moto
so lo muntu kazange athi uTK ngiyade senza ukuthi waqamba abantu
ababelezi moto
abantu bathi
bazikhethe lobani abantu bahle bathi khona sibona uTK noGobisani bathi uGobisani kuthi akabeyanga ngemoto but kodwa parking lot yayinje
ile moto eziningi
full phela ukhumbula ukuthi labantu laba abakhuluma kakhulu ngeRumba labo bangama-part of ama-artist angazi ukuthi kona waye babengakhulumi ngabo yabo but then it was just a joke kodwa elingafikanga kahle kimi ngiqala ukuyifunda leyo nto ngoba yayiyenzwa ngumuntu engimazi via Facebook
ongakwaziyo live personal
exactly the person yathanda ku-comment ezintweni zami ya-support but wathi esenzela khona inhliziyo yami yababuhlungu ukuthi why will this guy do this especially trying by all means ukuthi igama lami alichithele phansi into lana yandimaza kakhulu
yakhoza idrama phela into lana sayibona idrama
yes idrama yaba serious idrama for few hours really iFacebook yathi
kwakusija
yatha iFacebook for isikhathinyana
yaphela njani
ngayiqeda
what did you do
ngayiqeda because I understand ukuthi ngamfuna ukuthi abantu bafundiseke the person engithi wapost is my friend ku Facebook angimazi ngakhuluma naye ngamtshela ngathi into le ngizoyithathela inyathelo and inyathelo engizolithatha lizokulimaza but ngifuna ukufundisa abantu ukuthi
bengayenzi
into ezinje so zinjani silomthelelo omubi usungavuka ubotshiwe ubaliwe kumbe usungavuka une criminal record for ipost nje kuphela ube le criminal record for ijoko yabo so mina nginama friends amaningi abangamapoyisa abantu bathi ne so ngenzeka ukuthi ubalwe
so wagcina ivulile
icase ngayivula ngayithola swi case number ngaqeda ngayivala same time lapho ngangenzela ini ukuthi abantu ba understand ukuthi what am doing
babekwazi ukuthi ungadlaleli
icase ngayivula and
yes
it's possible ukuthi case ngayivula but ungadlalele egameni lomuntu igama lomuntu leyo it's a part of cyberbullying
vele these days uyabotshwa mkhaya ungathethisa abantu nzima
yes ngathi ngifika vele ngimbonise umuntu ngithi what phela this is defamation of character it's a criminal record criminal offense
engagcina lowo muntu esele criminal
so ufuna senze simbopho umuntu ngamasayi bengifuna ukuthi just njani samsi imessage ukuthi ungadlali kakhulu so abanye abantu baya react
but vele abantu vele babekwazi eHarare malangeni uKissMo ubotshiwe KissMo Pro Max wano eTikTok ethi uDenzel noMelo botshiwe
phambili so kuyabophisa sokusiya ngokuthi uyazibani lapho niyakuyenzela kuphela ukuthi into mina i-awareness angangireza lapha ngangireza awareness okufundisa ukuthi mina sengakuthuka Joy ngiyakwazi mina personally.
Yes.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Singathi awuthike ngidukile but sokungaba nomunye umuntu vele lingazaniyo at all akuthuke ngaleyani into ukuthi ubone ukuthi lo muntu vele
sifaka family.
Yes, the family what uyakwanisa ukumbophisa
vele manje mina ngiyabophisa olandela ukungithuka ngiyabophisa.
Uyabotha silo umuntu ahambe sibili.
Angila choice.
Yabo, so abantu bengayethuki kakhulu but ababehave.
That's it.
Yes, bengayethuki but ababehave.
Sibonge kakhulu. Babukela abahle salivala uhlelo. Umqoqisiki nxa befuna ukumbhuka utholakala ngaphi? Yenza kanjani abantu?
Umqoqisiki is available for bookings. Umqoqisiki ngambhuka as a rumba artist. Ngithe angizorumba artist but ngoba sengile ngoma za rumba singangibhuka ngizo entertainela ingoma zami sengazirecorda as a rumba. Nginama dancers, ngine band abantu abangithayela amakatari. Umqoqisiki singambhuka as a hip hop artist kumbe just music ngivela abantu abangazi ngawo.
It's very versatile.
I come with dancers. I'm available.
Afuni podcast abantu